Today I'm making a sweet treat for you. I'm making devil dog muffins, like with a lot of marshmallow in it. Woo! When I was a kid, I loved devil dogs. Doesn't take a lot of ingredients. Then you want to cool the muffins, scoop them out, and we're going to put delicious gooey marshmallows inside. This, it's called Toony Moony organic marshmallow, and it's gooey. I could just lick that all up. I love maple syrup. Give me this spoon and a half a gallon ice cream, and I am good to go. Aren't these nice? This is I got this on Amazon, Spring Chef, and you never really lose these. Fill it like this, like so. You take your marshmallow and just put it in there. So bring it to a party and have some fun. Hi, and welcome again to Annie's Angle and Annie's Kitchen. Today I'm making a sweet treat for you. Or you can make it with me. I like that a lot. You know, do you like sweet treats? You know, give me this spoon and a half a gallon ice cream, and I am good to go. A pint of ice cream, forget it, it's gone. Like that. I love the sweet treat at night, do you? So before I tell you what you need, grab a cup of coffee. And this coffee goes great with what I'm going to make. You know, when I was a kid, I loved devil dogs. Love them. And then growing up, I love whoopie pies, and I can eat 2 whoopie pies in one sitting, depending how big it is. But I love it, and sometimes I like it frozen. Do you like some treats frozen? I do. I put them in the freezer and take them in. I just love them. But today I'm making I'm making devil dog muffins, like with a lot of marshmallow in it. Woo! I can't wait for this. So what I'm going to need is flour. I buy organic whenever I can. I have flour, canola oil, baking powder, cane sugar, maple syrup, and low-fat milk, and cocoa powder. Now, this, it's called Toony Moony organic marshmallow, and it's gooey. So we're going to use this. I might use the whole tub because I love marshmallow. I love anything with marshmallow. As a kid, I loved devil dogs. I just love them. And then growing up, I buy whoopie pies. And my husband and I just devour them. And I just love whoopie because I love the devil dog and then the marshmallow inside. Woo! Who can ask for more, right? Just love it. So come on into my kitchen and let's make a delicious devil dog muffins that you're going to love. It's pretty easy to make. Doesn't take a lot of ingredients. Then you want to cool the muffins, scoop them out, and we're going to put delicious gooey marshmallows inside. Yeah, I just like a treat at night. I don't know, I like to sit there with coffee and have a little treat at night. I really love that. But never put ice cream in front of me and a spoon. And maybe some whipped cream and it's gone. I just love it. So, come on into my kitchen and let's make a sweet treat that you're gonna love. We're gonna make our wet ingredients. Now I have 2 eggs here. And then I'm gonna add the 2 eggs in here. Set that aside. And then we're gonna use a 1/3 cup of oil. And this is the canola oil that I used. Spectrum canola oil. Sorry about that. And let's add that to that. A 1/3 cup of that. Then we're going to add our 1/4 cup of maple syrup. And we'll add that to that. I could just lick that all up. I love maple syrup. Do you? And the last but not least, 1 1/2 cups of low-fat milk. And we're going to set that aside. We're going to mix that and set that aside and come back and do the other ingredients. Okay. So my next step is my all-purpose flour. And I'm going to use 3 cups of all-purpose flour to this. Okay. And I got this Trader Joe's cocoa. They're unsweetened cocoa. And I'm going to add that to that. And a 1/3 cup of sugar. Whoa. We're going to add that. And the last but not least, 1 tablespoon of baking powder. I wanted to show you these. Aren't these nice? This is I got this on Amazon, Spring Chef. And you never really lose these. They have magnets. And I love this. It just goes together. Really nice, and it doesn't come apart. I love that. And we're going to mix all that. And we'll come back. And then we're going to add the wet ingredients slowly to this. Ooh, you see the devil dog? It's going to be devil dog. Whoa, I love that. And we'll come back. Now I have this mixed pretty well. And I'm going to slowly add my wet ingredients in there. And put it around until I get it nice and smooth. And we're going to keep doing that until my wet mixture is all dissolved in here. So you want to keep adding it a little bit at a time and mix it. And we'll come back when that's done. I have whipped it to this consistency. And then we're going to add it to our muffin pan. Now I put just a dab of canola oil in each one, just a little bit. And we're going to put the oven on to 350, and I'd say for about 20 to 25 minutes. And fill it like this, like so. And we'll continue with that and come back. Now I'm going to preheat my oven to 350, and I'm going to put that in. Doesn't that look delicious? I've been licking my fingers on the batter. I don't know if you do that, but especially chocolate batter, I'm terrible. And that's what I've been doing. So we'll come back when we put it in the oven and it comes out. We'll let you see how beautiful they are. And I wanted to show you, this is Toonie Mooney. And this is the marshmallow goop we're going to put on. So we'll come back when it's done. Okay, these are done. And I've taken my fork, actually my knife, and I put it through. And nothing. It's clear. And they are done. Don't they look beautiful? I can't wait to put the marshmallow in there. And that's what we're going to do. We're going to turn the oven off. They cooked for 20 minutes. And I also wanted to say that they look amazing. So we will take a taste. These have cooled. And I already did one. Now what I'm going to do is just scrape out the middle. And these turned out beautifully. And you can scrape out as much as you like. You know, however you want it to be. I think that's good, isn't it? And you take your marshmallow and just put it in there. Get in there, you. Come on. And you could put this in the fridge, the freezer, whatever you want. And it is, wow. And then you take your little one, the one you scooped out, and you can also have it like that. Now I'm going to be licking my fingers in a minute. I really will. So come back and let's take a taste. I used 3/4 of a cup of cocoa. I didn't say that. But I used 3/4 of a cup of cocoa. You can use 3/4 to a cup of cocoa in your muffins. Depends how chocolatey you want them. And that's about, these are small cupcakes. Small muffins. So I used only 3/4 of a cup. Now if you want to get fancy, you could even add sprinkles to this. They don't want to stick on. Come on, I've tried. well, they don't want to stick on the marshmallow. You could do that. And make it really, if you want to. So you can really have a real great sugar rush. But this is really, really good. Usually I like them plain, is what I'm going to do. But, you know, for people that might like a little sprinkles on there. Chocolate covered sprinkles, fun. So, did you make yours? Because you can take a taste with me. You know, I have been eating the batter. I've been eating the marshmallow. I've been licking my fingers. It's a good thing I don't work in a restaurant because I'd be fired. You're fired. You're licking your hands. Are you kidding? But I have. I admit it. But it's, so let's take a taste. Do you know that's why they have cookie dough ice cream? Because people do like the batter of things. I love cookie dough. And do you like cookie dough ice cream? I really love it. And I love all the batter parts in it. Sometimes I just scoop those out and eat it. I'm very naughty. So let's take a taste. Now, this isn't the first time I've had this. Let's wash it down with some coffee. Wow, that is good. Really good. I mean, you can even freeze these. Take them out. Well, first I would scoop it out, freeze them if you want. Then put the marshmallow in later on at another time. It's good. Believe me. So make yours. Come back and, thank you so much for commenting on my videos. I really appreciate it. People tell me things, and I love it. I really do appreciate it. And subscribe to my channel, like this video, and also I am a fitness instructor. I like crafts. I love to cook up a storm. I love cooking, and I like new things. But most of all, I like being with you. Because, I'm learning too, and I really enjoy this. And when people comment, I'm like, wow, it's great. Because it really helps me along. Some people will say, well, Annie, why don't you make something that I like this. Like somebody asked me to make goulash. So I said, okay, I'm going to make goulash. But I love to cook. And my grandmother really taught me how to cook. She was an excellent cook, and I love her recipes. So I made her clam chowder. My brother used to say, nobody can have grandma's clam chowder. It's all mine. And I'd be like, hell no, it's mine too. We the family would fight over her clam chowder when she came over. But she was so sweet. I loved her. Anyway, thanks for stopping in Nanny's Angle. Have a real nice day. Come again and we'll be cooking up a storm and have some fun together. Because I love things. I like everything. But most of all, I like being with you. So, bye-bye for now.